Hello and welcome to Goki's Kitchen. So today on Goki's Kitchen, I will be making a very quick and easy breakfast. Man woke up and man is hungry, so man has got to cook. If you don't cook, you're not going to eat. Yeah, so I have my ingredients right here. As you can see clearly, these are the things I'll be using for my breakfast. This is a grated potato. I use this grater right here. This one, yeah, this was what I used to grate it. And I used the largest hole on it. So I have the potato right here, which is grated, and it's in the water because if I didn't put it in the water, it's going to turn pink. As you can see, this one right here that is standing a little bit outside is beginning to turn pink. And I have my eggs over here, as well as this is a turkey bacon, but you can use the regular pork or pig bacon if you so wish. Then right here I have the yellow bell pepper and the red bell pepper, and this is my onions, this is parsley and salt, and that's basically going to be all the ingredients I'll be using for the whole thing, which is very few in my opinion. That's not a lot. So the first thing I'm going to do is the potato that I have right here. I'm going to boil it for a little bit. I'm just going to put it on the stove. I have my stove already here, and the pot is already on top of it. So I'm just going to add the potato to it and boil it a little bit. All right, yeah, this is up now, and this is going to go right into the stove, or on top of the stove rather. Let's put that right there. Okay, let me add a little water to it. Okay. And for the sake of taste, you know, definitely I'm going to add a little salt to it as well. That goes right in there. Just slightly more, just a little, that's okay. Okay, so I'm just going to put the cover on it. And leave it over there for about 5 minutes. So, while the potato is on the stove and getting ready to be done, I'm going to go ahead and make a little. I have this watermelon right here, so I'm going to go ahead and make a little watermelon juice. Watermelon is always delicious. Everyone likes watermelons, or maybe not everyone, but yeah, I like watermelon. And let me tell you, give you a little history. Do you know how French fry became a thing in the United States? Well, according to history, I'm not sure how accurate this is, but this is what I was able to find out. I was able to find out that it was Thomas Jefferson was the first person to introduce French fries to the United States, and this was during the 1700s when he was minister to France, minister of the United States to France. So, quick history for you. All right, so let's make some watermelon juice. Okay, so now that this smoothie is made, I'm just going to go ahead and proceed with the rest of it. And right here, as you can see, I have the potatoes. It's ready and good to go. So I'm just going to proceed to the next stage and start mixing everything else together with it, because that's definitely the next thing that we have to do. Alrighty. All right, so get the potato and sieve it, get the water out of it as much as possible. to rinse that off, and also get a little part of the starch off it as well. That's the essence. So yeah, you go. Okay. All right, that's going to go in there. And then once that's in, let's start mixing everything else together with it. So for the rest of the things, first and foremost, I'm going to mix the eggs with it. The eggs go right in. This one is the brown egg. Well, I like the brown egg. Well, you can use the white egg as well. That's not a big deal. It's just as long as you have egg in it. That's the most important thing. 2, 4, I'm using 6 eggs. Don't prove stubborn. What's wrong with you? Go inside. All right, that's over there. You go there. And then I'm going to add the turkey bacon to it. I'm going to be very generous with everything else, you know. Generosity is very good. Red bell pepper and the yellow bell pepper. I'll go right into it. Onions. Go straight in as well. And then parsley, not so much, just little, like so. Bam, there you have it. That's how you do it. Okay, you go like this. Bam. Now let me add salt to it as well. I already have salt in the potato quite alright, but I'm just going to add a little salt to it. Yeah, not so much, just a little. That much. Bam, 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 bam. Bam. That's good. Alright, now so I'm just going to mix everything together. Now that I have this here and ready to go, I'm going to be putting it into this bowl. So I'm going to add a little oil to the bottom of the bowl so that hopefully that helps it not to stick. And then this is just going to go right in there. And this goes right in here as well. All right. So now it's going straight into the oven. Pull these out. Let me pull these out right here. Please don't burn me. Please don't burn me. Don't burn me. Don't burn me, please. Okay. So this is going to go in there. And this is going to come right here. All right. And there you go. Bam! So that's how you do it. So I'm just going to leave that over there for about, since the potato is already done, the only thing that needs to be cooked now is just the eggs and some of the other things in it. So I'm just going to leave it there for about 15 minutes. And then I'll be right back to check on it. So it's been about time now, so it's time to definitely check it, because I believe by now everything should be ready to go. And let's see how that's looking. That looks, let's see. Okay, this is not looking bad at all. All right, let me take it out of there. Look at how that looks. Freaking looks delicious. Man has been hungry since. Now it's time to feast. Well, let's, oh wow, this looks very, very good. You see, you can clearly see the turkey bacon and the rest of the recipe and everything in totality. You can see everything in it. It looks freaking awesome. Look, hopefully that's in focus. Is it? Not quite. Yeah, but I guarantee you it looks very good. Oh wow, that's delicious. I'm very impressed with the results. So you can as well give it a try if you so wish. And it's pretty much a very easy breakfast, you know. Diced potatoes. Once you have the potato diced, or grated rather, and then boil it for like few minutes. I mean, you saw all the steps anyway, there's no point going over that again. So yeah, thanks for sticking through all till the end. And on this note, I'll see you next time so that I can concentrate and eat my food.